now it's a very exciting time in Amazon with all the things we've learned, machine learning, all the advanced technologies, the predictive maintenance, also using artificial intelligence. We're using all this to keep up with our customers. Our customers are requesting higher levels, better service, and this is what we're doing. We're using all these technologies within maintenance engineering to advance our world and to keep up. And not just to keep up, just to be worlds ahead, be stepping ahead and advancing faster and faster and faster, and keeping our costs down, keeping our efficiencies up. And also the most important thing for us is to keep our teams energized. I think one of the biggest challenges we have is Amazon and the world is advancing very fast. We have new technologies, and there's not enough time for people to get accustomed to new technologies. We're advancing one step at a time, and then another step and another step, and sometimes some people get left behind. So it's very important with our teams that we have the capabilities, we have the trainings, and everyone feels comfortable, because this is the only way we can advance, is that we all advance together. So in Amazon, we have many forms, many ways of communicating, educating our teams, sharing data, sharing experiences. So we're all working together, and we're all working for a common goal. And that goal is to work safely and keep our customer are happy, and our customer experience is the happy one. So they keep coming back. So this goes from right from the beginning to the end. And this is how we are working every day. So I believe this type of events like the advanced factories is important to share what the best we have in Europe, the best we have in the world, the best we have here in Barcelona. And it's to show and to share our advances. And also to be proud of what we do, learn from others, create relations with other partners, because even with Amazon, we're only as good as our vendors and our companies that we use on the day-to-day. Because our support companies, they maintain our high level, and it's important to advance together in these events.